I mean, you ever have like a really good friend who was dating an absolute monster of a girl? Like total the worst bee you've ever encountered. I did. And no joke, I had a buddy of mine. I loved him. Good friend, really nice guy. And I'll tell you what, the funniest thing about it was that he had this girlfriend that no one liked. Oh God, nobody liked this girl. She was and she was mean to him. She was mean to us. Don't get me wrong, we're a bunch of a-holes, so it's like, okay, I get it. A bunch of 22-year-old a-holes. But this chick just absolutely bulldozed my buddy, and he was totally whipped. Oh God, he was whipped. Well, we got it together, and I'm like, hey, listen, I'm gonna grill. We're gonna have a cookout. I'll grill. We'll make make burgers and stuff, and let's all hang out, watch a movie. Oh, awesome! So we all went to a buddy's apartment, and we were all doing this. And once the food was all laid out, and we all sat down on the couch, we turned the TV off, and we all turned to Ivan, and we're like, we got to talk about your girlfriend. He's like, are we seriously having an intervention? And all of us were like, bro, we love you, but I know she makes you happy, but she's a monster. And he went through all five of us. Like, no, man, you don't know. You don't know. She's great. Oh, you don't know. Oh, man, you don't know. Okay. Well, he got married. And I want to say 6 years later, I'm driving from Florida to California, and my phone rings. And I'm like, this is Kevin. He goes, hey, man, it's Ivan. I'm like, Ivan, how you doing, dude? I haven't talked to you in forever. And he says, I just want to let you know you were right. The words, right? The first words out of his mouth. I want to let you know you're right. And I go, I don't know what about, but it sounds like I'm not going to be happy about being right. And he says, I'm telling you right now, he says, I never should have married this girl. He goes, absolutely ruined my life. Ruined my life. And it was heartbreaking. He had kids. He had joined the Navy. I mean, now mind you, he's married, remarried. He's got a wonderful relationship with his kids. He's living a good life right now. I'm elated for him now. But at the time, I was like, oh. And I sit there and I think about that intervention, and I think about his defenses. He's like, no, man, no. Oh, you don't know. Oh, man, she's great. No. And every time I get into it with some dude who's a hardcore Sea-Doo dude who's like, no, man, my RX-TX is great. I'll kick your ass out in the rough. Okay, you pick the ski, Kevin, and I'll ride with you. I'm like, oh, okay. I'll kick your ass. Oh, okay. And all I hear is my buddy defending that girl. All I hear is that. No, dude, you don't know her like I know her. Oh, she's so nice. Oh, she's great. Oh, my parents love her. Oh, all I hear is that. All I hear is that. I'm like, okay, buddy.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.